Welcome to Greece, a land where ancient history meets stunning natural beauty. In this captivating journey, we'll explore some of the most breathtaking landscapes this country has to offer, all captured from the sky. Let's embark on this aerial adventure together. Our first stop is Santorini, an island renowned for its picturesque villages and vibrant sunsets. From the charming streets of Oahe, where every corner offers a postcard-perfect view, to the crystal-clear waters of the caldera, Santorini is a place where dreams come to life. Witness the stunning contrast of white and blue as we glide over this enchanting island. Next, we soar over the historic city of Athens, the cradle of Western civilization. The Parthenon stands proudly atop the Acropolis, a symbol of ancient Greece's architectural and cultural achievements. As we hover above these ancient ruins, imagine the grandeur of a time when philosophers like Socrates and Plato walked these grounds. Heading north, we arrive at the awe-inspiring Meteora. These monasteries, perched atop towering rock formations, seem to touch the sky. Built by monks seeking solitude and spiritual elevation, Meteora offers a serene and otherworldly experience. The breathtaking views from above capture the essence of this sacred place. Our journey continues to Nevajo Beach on Zakynthos Island, one of Greece's most famous and picturesque beaches. Known as Shipwreck Beach, this hidden gem boasts turquoise waters and dramatic cliffs. The rusting remains of a shipwreck add an element of mystery and intrigue to this stunning coastal paradise. Next, we fly over the vibrant island of Mykonos, where traditional charm meets modern luxury. Famous for its iconic windmills and lively nightlife, Mykonos is a blend of serene beauty and energetic vibes. Watch as the island transitions from a tranquil haven during the day to a bustling hub of activity at night. Our final destination is Crete, the largest of the Greek islands. With its rugged coastline, ancient ruins, and lush landscapes, Crete offers a diverse array of natural and historical wonders. From the Minoan Palace of Knossos to the dramatic cliffs of Belos Beach, Crete is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this aerial tour of Greece. From its ancient landmarks to its stunning islands, Greece is a country that captivates the heart and soul. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more breathtaking drone footage from around the world. Until next time, happy travels and safe adventures.